Hello there everyone, and welcome to the next part of the Minecraft server series. Now, as you may have noticed, there's been some changes since you last came here. For a start, I've got a fan in here called Connor, who is going to be sorting out a blacksmith's for us in the town centre. Looking very snazzy there. Yes, hello! He can hear me through the magic of Skype, but I can't hear him because his headset's bust. So yeah, so basically I'm going to be putting up a link to his channel, and hopefully you will all like the stuff he puts on. So yeah, first things off, we're just going to be doing a quick tour around, just wanting to... I'll give you an aerial view of what's going on. Right, so as you can see, you've got the four corners of the forts there, the blacksmiths, lovely little market stall me and Ted did earlier, the church of holy random religion, blah blah blah, and the court with our little griefer jail, complete with lava bin, just in case they annoy you. Oh look, we appear to have a visitor, Connor. We're not allowed to mention any real religions, otherwise YouTube will shut me down. We've got a visitor though. Hooray! Oh well, you see an animal, I see free bacon. Oh god, I'm probably going to put like 1 million holes through this server. But who cares, I will have a pig dead. There we go. Lol. Maybe outside. Maybe outside the main walls of a pig pen. I'm just gonna throw out the pork. I threw it on the ground. Right, so yeah. This is just a short clip, guys, just updating you on what's going on. And I'm probably going to edit this into other pieces and bits and bobs and stuff. So yeah, bye for now. Hello there everyone, and yeah, this is going to be the next part of the server. Hello Connor, if you're just joining us.
Hello.
You can't, I don't think you can hear us. Right, but anyway.
Oh well.
While you've been away, hang on, I'm just gonna invite Connor into the chat. Yeah.
Sheep-based lag.
Here we go. Sheep-based lag. Right, I've invited Connor back, so can you tell him? Right, so yeah, this is basically gonna be the plots. This is the basic plot size for everyone joining. It is gonna be survival for you guys, so yeah.
Yeah, you got a graft unlike us. We can do whatever the hell we want.
Yeah. So as you can see, you're probably gonna get wood from that massive forest behind us. There's one over there as well, so there's no real scarcity of stuff. Yeah, so when you join the server, if it ever actually does get sorted out properly, I'm probably just going to have a few people on at a time, just to save me some time and bother. And you have no idea how much of a massive pain in the arse setting this stuff up was. No joke.
Oh god, is he lagging out? Because I will kill. I swear to god I will kill. I'm gonna take my aggression out on this pig. Die, pig!
Please do, it's completely healthy. Connor's just randomly walking around.
Like he's on drugs.
Yeah.
Dude, it's
Connor, join the bloody chat. I really think we might have to close the conversation and then go back on it. With him on it.
Oh, we're gonna have to do like we did before, right?
Yeah, right.
Well, you do that. Are you still recording this, by the way?
Yes, of course I'm still recording this, Edward.
Oh, lovely.
Right, I'm probably gonna... Actually, no, I'm just gonna keep... Edward, you know what? Screw it, I'm just gonna keep going. Right, Start voice chat. There you go. Right, hello! That was so annoying. Right.
Technical issues.
I need like a technical difficulty.
That was proper laggy.
Proper
But look, we have
laggy.
2 plots now.
Yeah.
2.
Proper like a kid, innit?
Innit? I tell you what, if I start
Right.
lagging out now, that'll be all 3 of us that have got completely screwed connections. Right. So
Right.
yeah.
This is why. This is a really good advertisement for this server.
This isn't it, yeah. Multiple
Wait, are you
connection
recording now?
difficulties. Of course I'm recording,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh bloody hell.
Oh yeah. Quickly say something interesting. Do a
Say
song
something
and dance or
interesting.
something.
Yes. Connor, inspire us with your banter.
Don't join the server, it is very laggy.
We're
Well,
lagging on it. Actually, if you give us money, then we can get a privately hosted server that won't be laggy. So,
Yeah,
to
yeah.
be fair, it's not our fault.
I tell you what, if
Also,
you
I need to clear my inventory, so I'm doing it the old-fashioned way.
hang on,
That's what I
I'm
was telling you about the other day.
basically, if everyone donates to this place, then we can.
Geronimo.
Yeah, Daniel.
Yeah.
That's what I was telling you about the other day when I had my hosted server and it was costing me £20 a month. 10
Jesus.
slots, no lag, no nothing, it was brill.
You
Yep,
can
but-
get better deals than that.
Yeah, you can.
You can get ones with more slots for cheaper.
Proper hard to find one, you know.
If you try multiplayer, multiplayer's quite good.
Huh. Teddy, you teleporting to me.
Right. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, because I'm right back at the original spawn.
Right, we need beds here
Hang
as
on,
soon as
I'll do it.
possible. Alright, I'll let you do it. Right, I'm gonna put a few beds down. I'm staying still for you.
I'm like spazzing out inside you.
It's alright. Oh dear. Oh, the viewers don't
No
want to see
homo.
that. Hey, there you are.
No homo.
There you are.
Hang
It's
on,
okay.
hang on.
Yeah, yeah.
The
Stay
world is
still.
loading towards me.
Stay still.
Come on. Yeah, there we go.
Right, I think this episode we should make a mod house, like an op house.
It should be
We should do it in the
floating above
sky.
here. Yeah, that's what I'm
On
thinking,
some
floating
clouds.
above here.
Yeah. Idea, right? Is that
Maybe not on clouds, we'll just like make a giant rock like,
Yeah.
up in the sky and build a house on it.
Trouble is we can't build off nothing, so I'm gonna pillar up.
Yeah, you get started on that. I'm going to build a house in one of the plots, just as an example.
Okay, cool.
I need wood, etc.
Right, that should do. I'll make a floor. How many mods will there be for this? There's me, you, Connor.
If it's a small server you want, you probably don't even need 3.
Yeah. So I'll put 3 there just to.
Yes, seems a fair amount. So the rest of you gotta do your own.
Yeah,
thing,
you gotta do your own stuff. I mean, what's the point if you don't graft for your stuff? I mean, you know. Although it's very easy for me to say this when I've got TMI and creative mode on. I feel a bit of a
I might
cut
have to
now.
put the heating on. It's bloody freezing in here.
I've got the opposite problem. My window's open and I'm boiling. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my beverage. It's just a beverage,
Oh, you
guys.
naughty boy.
What? It's no. It's a non-alcoholic beverage.
No, it bloody well
Yeah,
isn't.
yeah.
Dot. It's okay. I have a slip from my daddy.
You have a problem, is what you have.
Do we have a problem? do we have a problem, Edward?
Oh, he's a mean drunk. I forgot it. Actually, this house I've made here is terrible. I'm gonna burn it down and start again.
Okay.
Ooh, burn.
Oh God. Enough with the puns.
Ah,
Right.
I've forgotten where Flint and Steel is on the thingy menu.
That thingy menu sucks. By the way, guys, since
Oh, there it is.
Minecraft
I keep looking
updated,
for a lighter.
a lighter. Oh yeah, that's what it is on
Stupid
your texture pack, isn't it? Yeah. Right. I tell.
Except now I've switched to.
Since Minecraft's been updated,
Yeah.
I might as well do what every other bugger under the sun is doing. I'm going to show you the eggs. Right. So
Eggs.
Eggs. Right, so you got spawn.
Burn it down. Oh, it's beautiful.
It is a beautiful sight to be had. Anyway, I'm gonna spawn a mushroom. Go. Hang on. How'd you do this, Ted? How'd you?
Just right click.
Oh, I'm on creative mode. It won't
Hold
let
it in
me.
your hand. No, just
It
stand
does
on
let
the
you on
ground.
creative mode.
Stand on the ground and right click. Like look at the ground and right click there.
Hey, it's a
Weird alien
mushroom.
shroom cow.
And
Can I
as if
hurl
by
it into the fire? That'd be pretty cool. Go on, go on. Go in the fire, you stupid cow.
don't set me on fire with it, please.
I just want to burn you. There we go.
There we go. I like it's got a patchy bottom. It's quite funny. Skeletons there. Whatever. Creeper, slime, zombie, spider, chicken. I want to spawn a ghast though, because I haven't done that before.
Oh god, no, it'll destroy everything.
But I want to do it. Is everyone in creative mode?
Right, well, hang on a sec.
Is everyone in creative
I'm
mode?
redesignating this as yes.
I am on creative mode.
Good.
Would you like some raw mushroom beef? There you go. I mean, cooked even.
There it is.
Come here, you.
No! There we go. Oh. Well, that was rather disappointing.
Well, it does fire balls of destruction.
That's
balls.
true. Balls. I'm gonna spawn a
Come on,
villager.
last piece of house, burn down.
Villager. I mean, what's a village without villagers? Actually, screw the
God,
villagers.
these dudes are weird.
I know. It's like mini Squidwards, aren't they?
They're just... I don't know what.
Oh, there are no words. Sometimes, Edward, there are
anyway,
no words.
should we actually be productive?
Yeah, we should do the mod house now.
Right.
Right. Window is
you
shut.
Get started on that. I'm going to build something over here. I'm going to have to think what.
What you gonna build?
I don't know. I'm thinking.
Right, I don't know
build
what.
a police station or something.
Hey, dude, from our house, right, you can see the massive watchtower on the hill. Ted, you know
What house?
You know your watchtower. You know our mod house.
Yeah. Oh right. So is it going up here? Oh my god.
What?
I didn't notice this was here. I didn't notice this was here. That's all. Can you not? Do you not get stone brick half steps?
I don't know.
I thought you could. Oh yeah, you can.
Oh well, there you go. Use those.
It'll go better with the.
Yeah, yeah. Right. So yeah, we're just gonna go along with this, and I'll record this for a bit, and then I'm just gonna time lapse, I think.
Yeah.
Right.
I'll start making a sort of island for this thing to float on, so it's not just a flying platform, because that'll look a bit dodgy.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah, I agree.
Well, Edward, you know that stone block bit I just had there?
Yeah.
That's like a porch kind of thing. It's where you're gonna hang your hat, etc.
Right. Well, I'm just gonna build a thing for this to sort of rest on.
Okay, cool.
Voxel sniper, this would be so much easier. I could just make a blob of land.
Yeah. That looks pretty cool.
It has to be like uneven. Well, I'm gonna make it uneven so it looks more like it's been just like torn out of the floor, rather than.
Yeah. We should have like bits of tendril-y stuff off the ground on the bottom of it as well.
Oh, you can put vines on it and they'll like
Yeah.
dangle down.
That'd be really cool. See, I'm an ideas man. I'm gonna turn this music down. It's drowning me out.
I just have the music turned off because it annoys me.
Right, there you go.
Guys, the music is beautiful.
It may
Well,
be
it's good, but
it's bloody annoying.
I do quite. Yeah. I have the. I just.
Oh, my
sometimes I have
headache.
it turned off.
My headache's gone. So how about that Minecraft server, eh?
Man.